All right, so here we have for you Anna, a new network of awesome. And we are Serena, Aton, and Robbie. And what Anna does is she's a worm, so hence the name Anna, like an annelid. And Robbie will tell you more about her impact.
All right, so many different uses for this small little but powerful worm. Our main use for selling this is going to be to, well, this is great for both military and private use, but I'll start with military and then I'll go private. Military as a reconnaissance tool. Everyone talks about now they're using drones, they're using airplanes, but let's go back to the ground. Let's go back to the basics. The great thing about this is that the worm-like movement allows it to squeeze into tiny spaces that other little remote control or auto-controlled cars could not go. And it's an amazing product. And for the average private citizen, it can perform a bunch of duties. Also in the reconnaissance field, if you'd like to keep an eye on your kids without having to go upstairs. If you'd like to track where they're going, hide one in their car. And there's all sorts of different uses for this great little machine, and this is going to be a great sell to anyone who wants it.
Okay, so to present you with the machine itself, okay, so this is Anna, and what she is she's a worm, and if you can see her movement is like so. We'll show you in a second, but she opens and flattens like a worm, and so our original idea was to make her so that the front wheels would move up or the back wheels would move up and the front wheels would move forward. Back wheels, front wheels, and that way she would move as she goes, and she expands and contracts, and she can fit, like Robbie was saying, she can fit under small places if you time her right, and she can fit into tight, like narrow places as well because of her flexibility. We've not yet come up with the system for keeping all this together, but we have yet to work on that. And here, would you like to see her go?
This is. For now, we have only accomplished very small wheel movement, but we think we could perfect it so that it works how we want it to. A few of the problems we encountered were that at first we didn't know exactly how we were going to make this design until we figured out that we could just use simple programs and just two motors and attach them to the wheels and then make them move systematically. But now the main problem that we have now is that we don't have the perfect program to make this move in the way we want it.
So we will write it.